Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We're going to do some more modeling on the first jet if you're designing for the first time. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get started. But first, hit that subscribe button. Also helps my channel grow. Also hit that like button as well. All right. So this is designed for a 50 millimeter EDF so far. So from what I understand, that the exhaust should be about 10% of the intake for it. So 10% of 50 is 5, or let's see, 10 times 5. Yeah, so it's about 5 millimeters, 10%. So I'm going to go ahead and make this 47. This video is sponsored by PCBWay. PCBWay is your one-stop shop for rapid prototyping, from 3D printing, CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, injection molding, electronic PC board design and manufacturing. PCBWay has globally competitive prices, and to get an instant quote for your project, sign up for an account and drag and drop your file. You will get an instant quote, and 2 to 3 days you will get a firm quote. For your 3D printing needs or other rapid prototyping needs, check out PCBWay.com. So what I'm going to do is, I've done it already, just create a sketch on this plane back here. And then sketch a line from here to here. And so that line, I'm only putting that line in there so I can get a center point. And once you have that center point, then use the circle command and snap it here and stretch it out to 47 millimeters. So that gives us this here. All right. Now we turn some of this stuff off because we don't need it right now. So we can turn the vertical stab off. With views 3. And these. Okay, and this is what we have. And turn this stuff off too, I don't need it. But I do need that fuse back there. Okay, so we have the sketch back here. I want to create a sketch on this plane here. And I'm going to project this point here. So letter P, and project that point. And click OK. So now, what I do here is snap here. Now, whatever diameter your fan is, let's say you have a 50 millimeter fan here, so I'm going to stretch this out to 50 millimeters. And click OK. Go ahead and finish sketch. Now we can come over here. We'll click Create. And we're going to do a loft. And I'm going to loft this to the back here. And make sure it's set to cut and click OK. And we have that. Now, whatever rod that you're going to use back here for the elevators, something like a 3 millimeter rod, or even 4 millimeter. Create a sketch here on this plane here. And I want to see something here, how far this goes forward. May not put it on this one. No, I'm not going to put it on this one, so cancel that. Okay, we've got this. That sketch, that last sketch that we did here, going to extrude this forward, and it is set to cut. Click OK. And we have that. Turn this back off here. And create a sketch on this plane here. And use a circle command. Now to get this in the center of here to here, what you can do is, let me cancel this real quick, and going to use project and project this and click OK. Now I can use a line, snap here and snap here. Then I can use the circle command. Now this will be in the center. And I'm going to go ahead and make this go 4 millimeters. Whatever size rod you'll be using for this, just make it that size. Go ahead and finish sketch, then use an extrude. And I'm going to extrude both of these and drag this all the way through. And we have that now. Okay. Now I want to split this in half. So, in order to do that, I'm going to create a sketch on this plane here. Project again. This point here. Click OK. Use line tool. Snap here and give myself a line out here. And whatever the fan that you're using, make sure you have the proper length and use that for this section here. And I'm going to go ahead and make it 30 millimeters. 35 or 36, just demonstration purposes. And then bring this all the way down. Move this back forward a little. I make this a little longer, so I'm going to take this and delete that. Now I can make this line longer. This line tool, Snap it here and just drag this down. Okay. Finish sketch. Now split body. We're going to split this body. And this sketch we just did is our splitting tool. We don't need to extend it. And click OK. Now we have our hatch. And I can label this hatch. And here's our hatch. And I'm going to create a sketch on this plane here. And I want to project this onto that plane and click OK. Go ahead and finish sketch. And now I'm going to extrude this, move this back. And this is your EDF unit here that I'm just representing. And change this to new body. Click OK. Then I'm going to use that extrude again. Extrude this and move this forward because I don't need it. Click OK. Then create a sketch on this plane here. Use project, and we're going to project that outer circle, or the circle itself, doesn't matter. Then click OK, and we're going to use an offset. I'm going to use this, and whatever thickness your EDF unit, fan unit is, and it looks like it might be 1 millimeter thick, so I'm just going to offset this to -1 millimeter. And again, whatever fan unit you're using, use those measurements on that. And extrude this and remove this back and click OK. And this is our fan unit down in here. Now, if your fan has some tabs on it, what we want to do is create a sketch on this plane. And use a line. And here, and whatever the size that the tabs are on your fan unit, go ahead and use those. Let's just say okay. Then we're going to mirror those. This line. Click OK. Go ahead, finish sketch. Then we're going to use extrude. And we're going to extrude this and change this to symmetrical or symmetric. And whatever thickness the tabs are on yours, go ahead and make this 1 millimeter. So we have 1 millimeter. Change this to new body for now. Click OK. Then we want to mirror this tab to the other side also. So create, then mirror, and the body you want to mirror is this, and the mirror plane, or get the plane, this is the plane here, and click OK. Now we have the tabs there on the side here. Now you come here, combine, and target body is this, and the tool body is this. See if it'll let us do both of these at one time. And it did, good. Okay. Now, also here, we're going to use the combine again. This is the target body here, this. And the tool body is going to be this. And set this to cut and keep tools. And click OK. Now, as you can see, now this is now cut down into here. And I'm going to change this to EDF. And I'm going to make this black so that we know exactly what it is, and click close. Also, turn on that, I believe it was fuse 3, is it? Yes. And we turn the hatch off. And again, combine. This is the target body. This is the tool body. And keep tools and click OK. So what we want to do is cut this down into there too. So we turn the EDF off. You can see it's been cut down in here as well. And we turn the hatch back on. And we have our EDF down in there too. Now don't forget to save your work as well. Again, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Really helps my channel. Now what we can do here too is turn this hatch off. We can use magnets to hold the hatch down. So be able to put the magnets in, whether you use square ones or round magnets. We'll just create a sketch here on this plane. And for simplicity, we'll just go ahead and use a circle and whatever size magnets you have. Let's say they're 5 millimeters. Just go ahead and click 5 millimeters. And then I'll put one here and 5 millimeters also. Then I used to have mirror. Use this line. Click OK. Go ahead and finish sketch. And we're going to extrude these change this to symmetric also. And whatever thickness your magnets are. So if your magnets are also 5 millimeters high, then I'm going to put this at 2.5. Okay. We have those. Now our magnets down here. We'll actually make this a little deeper. The magnets are 5 millimeters. So what I'm going to do here is go back and extrude these to 5 millimeters. Down. Then click OK. Now we have that down there. Now our magnets just go down in there. And we can now turn the hatch back on. Turn this off so we can see the top of the hatch. And turn those sketches back on, that last one that I just did. And same thing, we're going to extrude these. And move these down 5 millimeters also. And click OK. Then we have that. Now we can extrude again. And 5 millimeters down. Oops. Cancel this. Selected the wrong thing. Okay, turn off this, the hatch. And I'm going to extrude these. Down 5 millimeters. And then I'm going to extrude up again also. And move these up 5 millimeters. Change this to new body. And click OK. And these are our magnets. Okay. What's this? Now we can turn the hatch back on. Turn the sketches off. And turn the fuselage back on. Okay. Now we have that. As you can see, that's not very difficult to do. Now what I want to do, It's up to you, but I like to add formers inside of here and not use the slicer to put to fill this up. So, but for simplicity, I'm just going to let the slicer do it when you guys design this for just for simplicity to get your first model going. So now, let's start labeling this stuff so we know what we have. This is the top left magnet. Top left back. Okay, go ahead and label all those that you have. And turn the hatch back on. Let's see where it's at. There it is. All right. I'll turn. Okay. Here's what we have now. We have our ADF in there. Now what I want to do, I'm going to turn the left stab off. And I'm going to extrude that sketch. Turn sketches back on. And turn it on over here. Well, no worries. Just cancel that to the right and create a sketch on this plane. And now I'm just going to project this. Click OK. Finish sketch. And turn that last sketch back on. Or sketch is back on here. And then since I clicked it, it turned it off. I'll turn that back on. Then use extrude. And I want to extrude this. Pull this out. And that looks good. And what I want to do also is mirror this. Create, mirror this. Then the plane it wants this. And click OK. cancel that. And come down here, miscellaneous, carbon fiber. I can use carbon fiber twill on this. Close. And we have a carbon fiber tube there. And turn on that stab, left stab. Now, I'm going to combine again, and the target body is this, and a tool body is that little rod in here. And this is select cut and keep tools and click OK. Now if we turn fuse 3 off, and you can see that cut through there like it should have. Sorry, I didn't turn that off. There. Now you can see it cut through there. And change this to carbon fiber rod. And what I'm going to do, extrude it. So I'm going to extrude this, pull this over. I don't know why. So this is all joined, and it should not be. So we go back. And turn the left stab off. And the right stab. And now I'm going to extrude again. And drag that over there. And join and click OK. Now turn the stabs back on, the right stab. And again, we're going to combine. This is the target body, and this is the tool body. Set to cut, keep tools, click OK. Now we turn off the carbon fiber rod, and it should have that cut in there like it is. Go ahead and save your work again. Now, whatever diameter of the screws that you want to use to hold your fan down, or tape or whatever, you can just create a sketch on this plane here and do the same thing what we did on these other things over here. For the magnets, it's done the exact same way. Turn the carbon rod back on. Turn the left stab back on. Turn the sketches off. All right. As you can see, this is looking pretty good. This piece here. I don't remember the length we set this as, so do a measure here. Okay, it's almost 1 meter long. It's fine. You probably could use a bigger fan in here if you want to, but this is fine. And do some more measuring here in a sec. Let me turn this back on and measure from here to here. That's 219. So most printers should be able to print that in one piece. It doesn't need to be cut in half. So now we've got that in there. And when I come back to this next week, we're going to start doing the wings and everything, getting the internal structures and getting the servos and stuff into this, get you guys going with that. So probably just another week, and you guys can start printing a jet or designing it. Or if you've been following me, you should be up to this point right now. And also, we'll get some more holes in here to get the wires and stuff all through here and stuff. But if you want to, you could, since this is a 50 millimeter, you probably could put a 64 millimeter fan in here also. And if you do put a 64 millimeter fan, you might have to just open this up just a little bit in the back here. And, well, that's not hard to do either, but yeah, so. Then do some more up here to put the batteries in and get all these servo hatches and stuff in here also. But anyway, that's going to do it for this design on this right now. So again, if you like this video and my videos, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, or you just haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. And it really helps my channel grow. And also I'll invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. Go over there and have a look. If you have any questions or anything about what I'm doing on my channel here and things like that, you can send me an email or catch me over on Facebook, or join my Patreon. Become a paid member over there. It's just $5 a month. And you'll have access to all the files that I teach you guys on the channel here that I draw. You can get all of them over there. And yeah, that's only $5 a month. So yeah, anyway, it's going to do it for this video, and I will catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.